Daddy. Hey, this is 2017 Navajo 1 and 2 numbers clip. So this is just a clip that we do just specifically for a question or teaching more specifically than the class. So this is not a learning a sentence or having a conversation or oral or anything. This is just a learning about a language. Okay, so we're learning about numbers here. Okay, so I made a clip and over here, these are the numbers. I went straight down because I wanted to emphasize something going straight down. Okay, so let's go over here to, if I'm taking the first column here, 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way to 10, and I was going to write it in Navajo. So, asa na ki, ka, di, ashla. Astha, Tsebi, Nast A, Naz Na. Okay, so that's the numbers, that's general numbers. And let's see if there's anything that's kind of repetitive or a pattern or something along that line. Asha, Naki, Pa, Di, Ashla, Astha, Tsebi, Nast A, Naz Na. So there's really no real pattern. But let's go to 11. See what there is a pattern. Okay, so here it is. Notice the sha, sha. Okay, the sha. There's the one right there. One. And then after we do the sha, which means one. So you can say sha, or you can say ta sha. But most of the time I hear it sha. So if I was going to say 11, I'd say sha. Tsada. Tsada. So now you notice something. Tsada is going to go all the way up to 19 and even a little bit of the, even in the 19, yeah. A little bit tinier. There you go. Fits in. Okay, so Tsada, and notice now ki. Now ki, so that's 2 right over here. So that follows. Now Tsada. So all you're doing is counting 1 through 10 again, but you're just putting tsada, tsada, tsada all the way under. So 12, so it's kind of like, maybe tsada might be kind of like tens or something, 10 plus 2 or something like that. So, na tsada, ka tsada, di tsada. Okay, if I go back over here, tsada, na tsada, ka tsada, di tsada. So there's no real big changes. Ashla'ada. There's a little change there. So you left the off there, you took it off there, but you still have the ada. So ashla'ada. Some people might say ashla'ada, okay? But most of the time you hear it as ashla'ada. Hasta'ada. So here, you're missing the TS plus also one of the A's of the hasta. Hasta'ada. You could say it all the way through that. Hasta'ada. Yeah, you could say that. People will understand you. But because people have been saying this for so long, hasta'ada became the normal. Next one is tostitzada. There's a tzada coming back. Tsebitzada. And nahasteitzada. So 9 plus the tzada. Okay. And then when we get to the 20, notice it has these N sounds, okay? Nez na is 10, but you don't say nez na tzada. You switch to nadim, nadim, okay? Nadim. And look what happens now if we go 20, 21, 22, okay? So, so let's just go with the 20s here. So 20 would have nadim sha, or nadin asa. Okay, but most of the time you hear it as nadin sha, and then you go all over and come back. The nadin, then the numbers. Okay, nadin naki. All right. Nadine, Naki, Nadine, Ka, Nadine. So you put Nadine first, right? 20, 20 and 2, 20 and 3, 20 and 4. Nadine Ka, Nadine Din, Nadine Shla, Nadine Haska, Nadine Sasik, Nadine Sabi, Nadine Nast A. Once you get to the Nast A, then the word cutting. Notice Ka, number. Uh, so maybe the idea is Na would represent 2, like Na Ki, and Dean would represent like the tens or something. So here, that rings true here. So Dean 30, because using the Ka idea. Something also changes when you get to 31. So Dean 30, and then there comes a word Do Ba'an. Do is like and also, and also. So 30 and also 1. Cutting Do Ba'an Asa. So it gets a little bit longer, but it's still 30. Okay. So let's take that idea and put it over here with we did 1. Let's do 2. Cutting the ba'an, na ki. Cutting the ba'an. So you just saying cutting the ba'an. Cutting the ba'an na ki. Cutting the ba'an ka. Cutting the ba'an di is 33. Cutting the ba'an shla. 35. Kadino Asta, 36. Kadino Ansosted, 37. Kadino Anse B, 38. Kadino Anast A. And then you don't go and then you switch to Disney. See the D4, that means 4. So 40. And then you start all over again. Disney double on. Okay? So on will always show up all the way through. And so this thing of asa over here. This thing of asa, this thing of anaki, this thing of ka, this thing of ati, this thing of ashla, this thing of asta, this thing of ansastik, this thing of antabi, this thing of anaste, this thing. Oh, you don't go there. So at 9 you switch over to ashlatin, doba'an. Okay. So doba'an actually shows up in all these things. So goes on there. There we go. Okay. So let's go to Hastan. See that? Hastan 6. Hastan. 1A is gone. Hastatin. Hastatin double what is that? Hastatin double Asa 61. Hastatin on Kit. Hastatin on Ka 63. Hastatin double D 64. Hastatin double Ashla. Hastatin double Hastan. Hastatin double Chester. Hastatin on B. Hastatin on Naste. Hastatin. Okay. Hastatin double Hastatin. You could say, I guess you could say Hastatin Asa. Hastatin Hastatin. But most of the time I hear Doba on. Okay. So, and let's go a little, go into 100. Notice Asa is there, okay, because of 1. Asahate, 1 time. It's kind of saying 1 time. And it's not as 10 and D. So 100. Asahate 100. And then there's nothing. So 1, the ones or the tens 10 times. Okay. Asahate nothing. And then we say 101. Asahate nothing doba on. So the upper on is still there. So we go like that. Asad never been over on Asa. So that would be 101. Asad never been over on Kip. That would be 102. Asad never been over on Ta. That would be 103. Asad never been over on Dean. That would be 104. Asad never been on Shla. Asad never been over on Stan. Asad never been on Justin. Asad never been on Bakman Sepi. Asad never been over on Ask A. And then we switch to um, 2020 or something. Asad never been over on this thing. Okay, so the 20. Okay, so that's how you start off. All right, let's try 1,000. Asad, and it's not 10 anymore. It's meal. Asad the meal. Asad the meal. So meal is 1,000. 1,000 with asad the meal. So if you want to say 4,000, you say D uh, D D the meal. Okay. D the asad the meal. Kid the meal. Khan the meal. Shlet the meal. Shlet the meal. Say B the meal. Okay. And that's how you go 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000. Okay. How about 200 here? Let's go with that. It's 200. Asad, there's nothing be 100. Na kid, okay? Na kid, there's nothing 200. Ta, there's nothing will be 300. Di, there's nothing will be 400. Shlade. So you gotta have that de in there, right? Shlade. Whatever it is, shlade. So you're losing the H there. The one is the only one that has asahate, na kite. So when you move after the one, start on two, you lose the HA. So na kidney has that thing. So maybe we can put that here. Okay, 200. And we say na kide, and then there's nothing. Okay, so that's how you go. So you do lose the HA. And then down here, na kide meal. Asade ha is still there. But when you go to two, then you lose the ha. So it'll be na kide meal instead of saying na kide, na de, na kihate. You don't need to use HA. You just say na kide meal. Okay? All right. And then the big number 1 million. Asahate. Use that asahate. And take that meal. Meal is still there. But you add so, which means big. The big million. Okay? The big 1,000. So asahate the meal so. And let's say you want to say 200,000. 2 million. Okay, let's say you want to do 2 million. 2 million. Na kide. So you're not kidding. Not kidding. Not kidding meal. Not kidding meal. Meal. So. Okay. Meal so. So makes it 2 million. Okay. And let's see what else I need to tell you. Let's do a little additionally. I don't know if we can pull this back over. Oh yeah. Okay, there we go. So let's say you want to add 21 and 27. So you say na ding asa. And then I will just put Natin asa. And then I would just put the word and. 21 and 27. Natin asa to. Natin so A. The A would be like is or the equal. Okay. And the answer is this that's that 40. Do ba'an, remember that do ba'an? And then say B. Okay. Over here, when you say 14 minus 13, beats are da. Okay. So beats are da. It's so you got 8 one. Beats are da. D is 4, tsada is the 14. And then you say ka 3. It's up nilko. When 3 is taken away. A asa. A satsada. That's how much it is. It comes out 11. So that's how you can do that. But I mainly want you to know about numbers here. Okay, Koshi, thanks.